YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do a Marry, Kiss or Kill. And I know that the squishy community out there and the YouTube channel out there,
a lot of people is doing it, but I saw it on YouTube and then on her channel. She do the Marry, Kiss or Kill. I saw on her channel.
but if I'm not wrong, the person who create this tag or this video, if I'm not wrong, it's Kawaii Pineapples, if I'm not wrong, because I just do a little bit of research. So any further ado, let's get going. Works is like you pick 3 squishies
And you have to marry, which is your favorite one, second excuse me, your second favorite, and third kill me. You just don't like it, you just dislike it. And yeah, so
just kill and marry, kiss any which one that squishy that you like. So this is how it works. I'm gonna pick 3 squishy from my squishy box here next to me. If you want to see it, it's over here with me. And also I got randomly pick 3 squishies in my box here. So yeah, I have 3 squishies just with me right now. So Larry is this Hello Kitty, the strawberry cake roll. I'm going to squeeze this Rilakkuma headband. Sorry about that, I have to kill this unicorn squishy. I'm going to make this video for 5 rounds, so yeah. Out.
two. Let me come out again and pick random squishy from my box. Okay.
3 squishy here with me right now. So let me read this cinnamon roll. So it's called cinnamon. Yeah, I suddenly think of, is it a real name? I have no idea, but yeah. So I got married this cinnamon roll squishy mascot. Oh my gosh, there's the tag. I'm gonna squeeze this Mickey Mouse default squishy. And I'm gonna kill this One Piece character squishy, which I have no idea what's the name called. So yeah. Top 3. Marry the best school kitchen squishy. Is the owl squishy boo. And kill Hello Kitty the donut squishy. Oh. Marry the eye bloom cat squishy. Kiss the the Christmas cake. Kill the semi donut heart shape. Now it's the final round, round 5. We'll marry the eye bloom teriyaki fish. Is the decorate Hello Kitty squishy. And just to kill what is called kill sweet style donut squishy. I decided to do another last round. This is round 6. Oh, this squishy Marry, Kiss or Kill is super fun. So let me make it the last round. So yeah. I'm gonna remove one of the squishy from this bracket. And onto the box again. I pick another one. Yeah, so I'm going to marry this Yummy Bear, the strawberry. So skis, the Hello Kitty, the yellow cake roll. That's the bag. To kill the eye bloom apple squishy. So this is the end of my video, and I had so much fun playing this tag. It's so fun. I hope I can make another part 2. If you guys
like to have part 2 of this video, comment down below and let me know.
And I'm super happy that my nail polish video that I reached 200 plus views. I was super happy. There are a lot of people comment down there. And
here are people comment on
that previous video, if I'm not wrong. So here it is, and here's a shout for you guys. So yeah, and if you guys want me to do a shout for you, please comment down below on this
video or every video I post.
and I help you guys to do a shout. So yeah, and just remember to subscribe to my video if you want me to do a shout for you guys. So see you guys in the next video.